Hi, I'm Shailesh Putran. I head the Central Law and the Group Operations for Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance. We had a very interesting time around when we did an implementation of RPA with Datamatics. A couple of issues we had in our group business, which is where a lot of manual activities were there, which we wanted to automate. We also wanted to take away the routine mundane processes and to improve the efficiency of these processes. So two large initiatives which we took. One was on the reporting bit, a lot of regulatory reporting, which used to take a lot of time from the time there was a deadline of IRDA to do the reporting by a certain date, and by after we closed the month end. And the reporting used to take a lot of time because we used to get data from various systems and do a lot of manual work around in that system to provide those reports. And we came up with this problem to Datamatics, and Datamatics suggested us that we should do an RPA in this process, and that really worked well for us. What we were able to do is that automate the whole manual processes doing an RPA, a process which used to easily take us close to 5 man days. In doing that process, we were able to bring it down to 2 man days and help us, do our regulatory reporting in time. So that was one of the implementation which we did. Second implementation also was regarding the policy admin processes which we had. We get a lot of endorsement data from our key institutional customers, and we need to do a lot of processing in them before we input them in our core system for processing this endorsement. This again where a lot of manual activities. We used to get non-standard data from various customers because those were convenient for them. Then converting that into a standard input into the system. Again, this used to take a lot of time in terms of processing these requests from the customer. Again, with our experience of automating that in the first place for the regulatory reporting, we thought we should do an RPA in this area as well. It was again a good RPA which we did, where we were able to process all those endorsements in the system using the RPA. Again, it curtailed our time. Close to 50% of the time of the manual activities were reduced, and we were able to process this endorsement in time. This was again, huge saving for us in terms of processing time and the man hours required. We had a large team of 8 people who were doing this. We were able to manage this with a smaller team when the efficiency improved. And not only that, we were able to meet a better tax for our customer. We won a couple of awards for this RPAs, which we did internally and externally as well, on the quality circles for improvement in this process. Interacting with Datamatics is really a pleasurable experience because they bring to us with a lot of experience of implementation of RPA, AI, ML, and as we speak, we are in the various process of looking at implementing RPA along with AI, ML in our various processes, including underwriting processes. Datamatics, as I said, brings a lot of value add in terms of the experience in various domains they work in, which helps us making our process smarter and better. I wish Datamatics all the best in their journey, and I would thank them for enriching our processes and helping us with our improving our business stats. Thank you.